Hey guys, what's up? I'm JJ Moneymaker. I thought I would, I know I've been destroying these, these pennies, and everybody's mad at me. I've been talking about food stamp Sally. Everybody's mad at me, so I thought I would step down a little bit. Nobody likes a plated coin, so I thought I would just clean this plated coin because plated coin's not really worth anything anyway, right? So what the hell? We'll make it a quick one. It's not too. This one's not in too bad a shape. So, what's this? Oh shoot! I ain't got my glasses on. Certificate of auth. This even has a certificate. Registration number 8266-94, the Washington Mint, certified of authority, giant half-pound golden eagle. Oh, that's nice. I don't know. Here's the specs. I don't know if you can read that, but there's the specs on it. Okay, certificate. So I guess it's layered with genuine 24 karat gold. All right. Well, I'm not really sure. I'm not really an expert on cleaning plated coins, but what the heck. So, dang, man, it's really stuck in here. Well, what do you know? The plastic just come right off of it. All right. Let's see if we can get it out of here. It's okay if I touch it with my hands, right? Because it's just a cheap plated coin, right? So here's a look at it if you guys want to see it. Yeah, it's a Liberty. It's a standing Liberty. I might send it to one of you guys. You've been asking for a standing. I still don't know exactly where my camera is. You've been asking for it. Some of you out there wanted a standing Liberty, 1/2 pound fine silver. Yeah, it's just cheap silver, I mean, when you're buying this much silver, premium's probably nothing on this, right? Yeah, it's got a little bit of something on there. So I don't know. Let's get the grinder out. Get the grinder out here. And so I've got a mixture of, I think, normally I don't use acid on my coins, but what I did, I mixed some lemonade up with some orange juice. What the hell is that? It does have a little mark on it there. Some orange juice, and I mixed that with mayonnaise, and got me an old rag, and I'm gonna clean this up here. So get the dang thing out of here. What is that? Not sure what that is. So basically, I think what I'm gonna do. What is that? It does have a spot on it there. So basically, I'm gonna just take the mayonnaise. one side of the rag is dry, the other side is not. I'm just going to take the mayonnaise and just gently rub over the coin with it, like that, and then I'm just going to let that mayonnaise soak in for a second. So we'll put a little mayonnaise on the back of it, clean the eagle up on the back. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so what you do is you just basically just let the mayonnaise soak in to any kind of stuff that may be on the surface of it. So this is a 1994. It's a 1994 from the Washington Mint. I don't know if you guys know anything about the Washington Mint. And then it's got says on the side what it is, I think. I don't know. 24 karat something. I can't read it. So anyway, you'll let the mayonnaise soak in for a second, you know. And then just take the dry part of your old rag and then just wipe the mayonnaise off. Just wipe the mayonnaise off of it. There we go. Yeah, and then we'll just come over here on this side. Now this is not an official, you know, like a Morgan or anything like that. This is just a half pound, 24 karat gold plated silver round. So really, I don't think we're gonna have to do. It's in pretty good shape. This one's not bad. I don't think we're going to have to use the grinder on it at all. Yeah, there we go. Hey, look. Huh, what do you know? It's all clean. Ain't that easy? Now see how easy I don't understand why you guys don't like these 24 karat gold plated coins. I mean, you know, I know. I did clean it. And it's probably fucking worthless now. Oops, pardon my language. It's probably freaking worthless. What is that spot? Probably freaking... I just probably damaged that. I don't think anybody's going to want this anymore. But I like it. I like it even though, you know, even though it's been cleaned. I know you guys like them dirty. You know how I am. I don't like them dirty. I like them clean. JJ Moneymaker out.